This gold signet ring is a piece of living history in the making. The wax canvas is still warm from the mold, and now it is time for me to add some design elements. This is where your creativity gets to shine, because this ring can be anything you want. It could be a crest from your family coat of arms, or a personal symbol that speaks to you. The first step in creating your own signet ring is to choose your metal. For this project, I'm using 24-karat gold. But if you're looking for something more affordable, 18-karat gold is a great alternative. Once you have your metal of choice, it's time to get started. Using a jeweler's saw, carefully cut out a piece of the metal that is large enough to form the base of your ring. Next, use a file to smooth out any rough edges. This will ensure that your canvas is nice and smooth so that the wax can take shape easily. Now it's time to let your creativity run wild. Using a variety of carving tools, start to add detail to your design. If you're not sure where to start, try using a simple pattern as inspiration. Once you've carved out your design, it's time to add some texture. This is where things like hammers and anvils come into play. Use a combination of tools to add depth and dimension to your creation. The most important thing here is to have fun and experiment until you're happy with the results. After the initial carving, it's time to add some finishing touches. This is where the real magic happens. With a little bit of polishing, your creation will start to shine. Use a variety of brushes and compounds to achieve the desired look. Remember, less is more when it comes to polishing. You don't want to remove all of the texture that you just spent so much time adding. Now that your ring base is complete, it's time to move on to the wax canvas. The wax canvas is what will hold the design you've created in place and make it three-dimensional. To begin, heat up some wax and then apply it to one side of the ring base. Be sure to cover the entire surface evenly. Next, place your design on top of the wax and press down firmly. You want to ensure that the design adheres to the wax and that there are no air bubbles. Once you've done this, remove any excess wax and smooth out the edges. This will ensure that the wax canvas is nice and flush with the ring base. Now it's time to let the wax canvas cool and harden. This will take some time, so be patient and let it sit for at least an hour. Once it's completely hardened, it's time to move on to the next step. To prepare the wax canvas for casting, it needs to be sealed. This will prevent the molten metal from leaking out during the casting process. To do this, simply melt some wax and then apply it to the back of the wax canvas. This will create a seal that will keep the metal in place. Once the wax has cooled, you're ready to cast. Casting metal can be dangerous if you don't know what you're doing. That's why it's best to leave it to the professionals. Take your wax canvas to a jeweler and they'll be able to cast it in metal. Once the casting is complete, it's time to finish the ring. This is where you can really make the ring your own. Depending on the look you're going for, you may need to do some additional carving, filing, sanding, and polishing. Take your time and be patient here. You want to ensure that the finished product is exactly what you envisioned. Once you're happy with the fit and finish, it's time to add the final touches. This includes adding the hallmarks, which are the markings that indicate the metal purity and carat. It also includes adding any engraving or other decorative elements you desire. Engraving can be done by hand or by machine. Hand engraving is more traditional and allows for more intricate designs, but it does require a steady hand and a lot of patience. Machine engraving is a great option if you're looking for a more precise and efficient way to add your design. It also allows for more intricate designs than hand engraving. Once the engraving is complete, it's time to add the shank, which is the part of the ring that goes around the finger. The shank can be made from any metal and can be added using a variety of techniques. The most common method is to simply solder the shank onto the bezel. Once the shank is in place, it's time to add the gemstones. Gemstones can be set using a variety of methods, but the most popular is the prong setting. In this setting, small metal prongs are used to hold the gemstone in place. Once the gemstones are set, the ring is complete and ready to be worn. I've been working hard on this project for a while now, and I am excited to finally share the finished product with you. This gold signet ring is a true piece of art, and I hope you can see the passion and dedication that I put into every piece I create. But it doesn't have to end there. If you're feeling inspired, why not try making your own signet ring? All you need is a little creativity and some basic supplies, and you can create a unique piece of jewelry that you'll treasure forever. You don't need to be a professional jeweler to craft a stunning gold signet ring. This style has stood the test of time, and you can now create your own heirloom piece with the right tools and guidance. This video will show you how to create a beautiful gold signet ring in just 3 easy steps. By the end of this video, you'll know everything you need to get started. The first step to making your own gold signet ring is finding the perfect design. If you're looking for inspiration, check out our website for a wide selection of ring designs. You can browse through our gallery and find the perfect design that suits your taste and personality. Alternatively, you can work with a professional designer to create a custom design that's truly unique. The next step is to choose the metal for your ring. 24-karat gold is the purest form of gold and is highly valued for its beauty and durability. However, it can be quite expensive. If you're looking for a more affordable option, 18-karat gold is a great alternative. It's still high quality and looks just as stunning, but it's less expensive than 24-karat gold. Whichever metal you choose, make sure it's high quality and from a reputable source. This will ensure that your ring lasts for generations to come. Once you have your design in metal, it's time to move on to the third step, crafting the ring. Don't worry if you're not a professional jeweler. With the right tools and guidance, anyone can craft a beautiful signet ring. The good news is, you don't have to go at it alone. There are plenty of resources available to help you learn how to craft your own ring. You can take classes, watch tutorials, or even hire a professional to guide you through the process. Creating a gold signet ring is a journey that requires patience and attention to detail. But the end result will be worth it. You'll have a stunning piece of jewelry that's truly unique and special. So take your time, learn the craft, and enjoy the process. And who knows, you might even discover a new passion and hobby along the way. There's nothing quite like the feeling of wearing a piece of jewelry that you crafted yourself. The satisfaction of knowing that you created something beautiful and unique is truly priceless. So why not give it a try? Unlock the secrets of goldsmithing and create a gold signet ring that you'll cherish forever. It has time to turn your ideas into reality and craft a piece of jewelry that reflects your personal style and taste. With the right tools and techniques, you can create a masterpiece that you'll be proud to wear. So don't wait. Start your journey today and create a gold signet ring that will be treasured for years to come. Whether you're a seasoned jeweler or a curious beginner, there's always something new to learn and explore in the world of jewelry making. So pick up your tools, unleash your creativity, and craft a gold signet ring that's truly one of a kind. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like and subscribe. We have many more videos coming up, including a video about the lost wax casting method, which is used to create intricate and detailed jewelry pieces. Don't miss out on future content.